What's up, guys? Quick update back here at the house. I was going to try to get out and do some riding here today, but kind of had a, well, let's just say, humbling experience as far as YouTube is concerned. Um, you can have all the fanciest pieces of equipment, such as like the GoPro 9, GoPro 8, both black versions. We ended up getting a Mavic 2 drone. We also got the phones, etc. What I've come to find out that is if you don't know how to use these pieces of equipment or make sure they're set up properly, I actually had issues with the upload onto YouTube. What I was seeing on the trail as far as our footage is concerned to the way it was transitioned onto YouTube, there's no comparison. So I spent today working on the drone, which I won't lie to you, stuck it in the river at Eau Claire Dells. Luckily I was able to bring it back, clean it all up, get everything ready to rock and roll, and it does actually still work, thank goodness. We also took the time to get both of the GoPros set up to what they consider to be the recommended settings for action scenes and stuff like that. So I just wanted to put this video out to let you guys know that the videos you currently see on my channel are not the quality that I want to produce. So if you are a new subscriber or new to the channel, all I ask is that you guys are patient and be excited for what's to come. Once we get this stuff honed in, I'm excited to get some good videos out there to you guys. So thanks for everything. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see new footage when it's posted. Other than that, we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Bye.